Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view your off-Facebook activity from Facebook. Understanding and managing your off-Facebook activity is crucial for maintaining your privacy and controlling the information associated with your account. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to access and manage your off-Facebook activity. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head to the store and type Facebook into the search bar. Step 2. Look for the Facebook app, which is represented by a white F on a white background. Tap on it, and then select Install to download and install the app on your device. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Step 5. Next, tap on the gear icon positioned in the top right corner, right next to the magnifying glass icon. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information to proceed. Step 7. Continuing to scroll down, you'll find the Apps and Websites Off of Facebook option. Tap on it. Step 8. Within the Apps and Websites Off of Facebook section, tap on Your Off-Facebook Activity. Here, you'll discover the data and information from apps and websites that have interacted with your Facebook account. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to view your off-Facebook activity from Facebook. This empowers you to review and control the data linked to your account. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay in control of your off-Facebook activity.